Hey everybody, today we're going to walk through the short form video schedule for the week of February 9th through the 16th. This is one of the best ways to engage your audience on social media, to get people who you never would have otherwise engaged with into your audience. So please stay with us and learn how to really grow your business with the 8 to 10 short form video scripts that you get from Listings to Leads every single week. And we've got the training for you in your account, step by step, how to do this. So where is the script in Listings to Leads, how to get it onto your phone, how to get it into a teleprompter app, how to record it. We show you all of that in the training today and also in your account. So you're going to get scripts for listings, every status from coming soon through just sold. For all the PDF guides, there's over 70 of them in your account. We've got 4 to 5 to 7 scripts a week under what we call social and local reviews that are going to allow you to get into the field and become a local expert and engage also the audiences of local businesses in a way that's going to get you more followers and increase your audience. So these strategies here today not only are going to promote your brand and engage people, but you're going to actually pull audiences from other local businesses. It's absolutely awesome. Obviously, we're going to do this on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, right? Anywhere you can put video, we're going to be doing this. Keep in mind, this is part of our How to Make $250,000 a year plus in real estate masterclass. So go to listingstoleads.com/250. That is listingstoleads.com/250. And in fact, I am here today first. Normally we get into the account and we get to it because I want to make sure that by the end of this video, you're mostly done with everything. But let's go here first and let's scroll down to the support post. And it's not really a support post. It's like as if you and I were sitting next to each other doing this together. And I'm walking you through this. So go ahead and read through this. And we're going to just summarize it together here. So first of all, keys to success. You got to get started. If you are not doing short form video, please commit to at least recording these videos every day. You don't have to publish them, but at least record them, review them, see what it is you think you don't like about the video. Get more comfortable at doing it. I promise you, if you do it every day, in a couple of weeks, you'll be publishing. And then a couple of weeks, a couple of months, your audience is going to start growing exponentially. But it won't happen if you don't get started today. Number 2 is be consistent. You got to do it every day, both for you to get better, for the algorithm to start pushing it, and for your audience to get to learn about you and for that engagement to really start happening. So you can't do a short form video once every couple of weeks. Once a week is not going to be cutting it. And once every 3 or 4 days won't cut it. It's got to be every day. So you don't have to record them all on the same day. You just want to publish them. So you can record 2 or 3 days a week, write a couple of videos for 3 days, and then now you got all the content you need. So keep that in mind. Really important here, record in the field. So if you're doing a video for listing, go to the listing. If you're doing a video with a PDF guide, see where it might be an appropriate place out in the field to do that video. For social and local reviews, you most likely will be in the field, and I'll walk you through why and how that's going to work. But keep in mind, this is to make you more dynamic. This is to really get you out so that people see you as an agent that's active, selling, buying, providing value, and providing information on the area. So awesome stuff right there. Again, we just reviewed that already. So if you keep scrolling down that same page, and if you click this video, I'm going to click it. I'm going to let it play for about 10 seconds, just so you can see here. It's me opening up the script on my phone, dropping it into a teleprompter app and recording it. And I'm going to show you that here. Everybody. So once you get the script sent to your email, go to your phone, open up your email app, open up the email that you just got sent with the script in it. You got 2 options. And then we go to the app. So here we go now. You're in the teleprompter app. At the bottom, hit script, and then hit the orange plus at the top right and hit create new script. And just tap here. So you can see how I walk you through that, get that on your phone, and then we record it together, and then, how to get that up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and so on. So it is so easy to do. There's really no excuse. I don't want to say excuse, but there's no reason to at least not be recording these. You need to. It's one of the best ROIs in social media marketing. So you can't really complain about my social media is not working and this isn't happening. And if you're not going to record these every day, this is the biggest bang for your buck that you've got. This is the biggest bang for the buck that you've got on social media. And we are giving it to you on a platter, both in the content and the training. So please take advantage of it. It's going to dramatically grow your business. So go to listingsoleads.com. Let's log in. If you're not a client, go ahead and start a free trial. Everything we're going to talk about today, you can do with a free trial. So when you log in, go ahead and scroll down to the section here called short form video scripts. First thing I want you to do is click and download the playbook number 5. I've already done that. Here it is. Print this up. Don't just sit there and think you're going to remember all of this. Print this up, and that way you can check it through as you're recording them. You can make notes, maybe put the date you're going to record it, maybe the date you want to publish it, whatever little note you're going to do, where you might think to record it at, and so on. But print this up, because if the key is you got to get it done. And if you print this up, you're going to be more likely to get it done. I think you'll agree with me. So just do it. With that said, let's take a look at the script, and then how do we get the script to our phone? And I'll talk a little bit through about how to really power the script so that you can get way more out of it than you think is probably even possible. So look, we got National Kite Flying Day, Brazilian Carnival, Chinese New Year, Umbrella Day, Peppermint Patty Day, and then I can scroll through and go to the next days. But let's take a look at Brazilian Carnival. We'll get to the listings and the PDF guides next. This is social. And so what this is meant to do is, I said, record in the field, all right? Record in the field. Brazilian Carnival. Are there any Brazilian restaurants in your area? Are there any Brazilian events? Maybe there's a Brazilian Carnival event, right? That you can promote while doing the script. And so before we get into the script, let me just show you. Greensboro, North Carolina. I just picked it out of thin air. If you're from Greensboro, hello. I hope this might help you out a little bit. If you're not, take the same idea, because maybe you don't know the Brazilian things in your area. So I just went to Yelp, and I also went to Eventbrite, and I typed in Brazilian. I didn't even do steakhouses, but that kind of came up. And I found a few. Here's a steakhouse. Here's a Brazilian steakhouse. This one actually looked cool. They both look pretty cool and upscale. But I was like, wow, that looks like a cool little place. And maybe I record that script out in front of this restaurant. And then I went to Eventbrite, and I found that there is actually a carnival celebration in Cary. That's an hour and 20 minutes away. So I don't know if you want to necessarily promote that, but I'm sure in most areas you might have a Brazilian style restaurant. And if you don't, that's fine. Just record it anyways, right? Just do the best you can. But what I'm talking about here is, how can we leverage the audiences of local businesses in our area while growing our business and getting to connect and getting people to know and trust us and engage with us via these short form videos? So think about, now you're going to record out in the field. You're going to come back into listings to leads. There we go. Here's the script. So the script is, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to click send. We're going to send this to our phone. And then we're going to open up on the phone in that video that we were just looking at listingsoleads.com/250. Scroll down, go to the short form video playbook. And on that page is the video. Copy the email, drop it into the teleprompter app, and get this done. Okay. Now let's take a look at the script itself and think about the fact that we're going to be maybe at a Brazilian restaurant. Maybe we're outside the restaurant. And so we're going to record it, right? It's on our phone. We've got the teleprompter app, and we're recording the video. And it might go along to something along the lines of this. Hey, did you know that today is the start of Brazilian Carnival, one of the most colorful parties on the planet? Starting in 1723, Brazilian Carnival has been an explosion of color, dance, and music that takes over Brazil every single year. And I am at the Brazilian Cowboy Steakhouse in Greensboro. And this place is the place to come to if you want really good, authentic Brazilian food. And in Carnival, it embodies a Brazilian unique culture and traditions influenced by the Portuguese. You see how I did that? Mix in where you're at with the script that you got here, and then make sure you tag the business. So call out the business, record it at an appropriate location. It might be a restaurant, it might be a park, it might be one of a number of different things. But let's take a look at a few others. We got Brazilian Carnival, National Kite Flying Day. Record that in a park while you're flying a kite, or if you got kids, or there are kids, right? Record. What an awesome little fun video that's going to be with you or your partner or someone doing that together. We got Chinese New Year. That's going to be awesome. Year of the Dragon, if you didn't know. We got Super Bowl Sunday. I was thinking you could almost do an anti-Super Bowl video as well. If you're not really into the Super Bowl because your team's not there, what are some other things that you're going to do, or how are you not going to celebrate? National Peppermint Patty Day, awesome. There's a local candy store you can go to. Go to a local candy store, record that video, get it out. Lincoln's birthday, awesome. That's going to be easy. Mardi Gras, is there a Mardi Gras celebration going on? Is there a bar that's going to have a Mardi Gras party? Go to Eventbrite, go to Yelp, look up Mardi Gras, see who's maybe having a Mardi Gras party at their bar on February 13th. And maybe you go to the bar and you record your video there and say, hey, they're going to be having a great party here. Are you guys, anyone going to the place? And then you show that, or you tag the owner, tag the business, they see it, they promote it, or not promote it, they're going to share it with their audience, or they're going to comment, and then their audience is going to start seeing that post more. So do you see how this all works together so that you are promoting yourself, you're getting people to know, trust, and engage with you, and you're getting these business owners and local businesses commenting, and then by the algorithm, the way it works, more of their audience is going to start seeing all of your stuff. And this builds cumulatively. So it's not like just a one and done thing. Do it over and over again so that you get that really beautiful flywheel effect. We got Valentine's Day. Is there, pick your poison there. All right. Could be a candy shop, could be a florist, right? Great video. You got Lent, if that's a video that you want to do. Got a Catholic church or if there's another church celebrating Lent. Again, Valentine's Day. And also we got the Canadian holidays. So if you're in Canada, we've got your holidays as well. Let's see, we got the 11th and then, through the 15th. And then it'll go, in a couple of days, you'll see the day for the 16th as well. So get these out, right? Do you see how this can be a lot of fun? And do you see how on almost every one of those socials that you got the ability there to engage with local businesses? So let's go to listings. So every week in our training, Playbook 1, Playbook 2, marketing a for sale listing, could be coming soon, just listed, active, or open house. Every single week, yours or borrowed. And we're going to market a pending or sold listing every single week, ours or borrowed. Part of our standard training. And just to show you here, every listing, no matter what status, just click market listing. And the short form video script right there, excuse me. Here's the script. Click send, get it to your phone, right? And then you know where to go to if you need help with how do I get it from my phone to the app, recorded and out the door. So again, this would be something that you want to record at the listing. If you're borrowing a listing, maybe you're going to tour the listing, right? Maybe you tour the listing, or you just can go down by the street of it and record the video. But again, don't record it like I am at the desk, right? When I'm doing a training video like this is an appropriate setting. But if I'm going to be recording a video, any of these videos, you want to be out in the field. So keep that in mind as well. So that would be for, you can see here, just listed listing. Let's take a look at one for just sold. But again, if you're attending our just sold training every week, you will know this script already. But just to show people that maybe have not seen it, we got both for listing agents and selling agents. And this is where I am quote unquote borrowing a sold listing to market. And short form video script. And so here you can see the script is going to change, obviously, depending on the status, the address, and everything like that. So here's that script again. I'm going to click send, get that to my phone. I'm going to open up the email, copy that script into my teleprompter app, record it, get it out the door. Now, also on the Playbook 5, that short form video checklist that we printed, right? It referred to a buyer and seller PDF guide. So here you go. Every week for any PDF guide, market short form video script. Here's the script. Again, send it to yourself, open it up on your phone, record the script. Now, I would say I would record the PDF guide script with one of the listing scripts. So whether I'm marketing a just listed, active, or open house, or I could record this video, or if it's a pending or just sold listing that I'm going to do the video for, I could record this there as well. again, because it's real estate related, it's home buying, home selling. So being at a property just makes more sense. So we did listings, we did PDF guides, we did social, and now the next review or the next short form video script is for local reviews. Now let's go back to that detailed write-up. And in this video, the same video that I'm walking you through how to copy from the email, paste it into the app, and record it in the same email, to keep watching the whole video because this is a really good video. And I actually walk through three or four variations on the local review script. And you're going to see that local review script right below the video. So this is a script that you can use for anything in your local area. And again, help leverage the people that are interested in that. So imagine, let's come back down to the script. And I'll give you a really great example off the top of my head here. So this script essentially starts out with, hey everyone, Scott Pierce here at Limby Park. And if you like great hikes in a city environment, you got to come here to Limby Park and let me know what you think. I did a half a mile hike. So beautiful. There's a little river down there that you walk by. Beautiful old growth trees. Absolutely beautiful. So comment below if you've ever been to Limby Park, or if you got another great park in the area that you love to go walk around. I would love to know about it. If you've been here, let me know what you think about Limby. I'd love to know what your favorite part of Limby Park is. Until next time, be good, everybody. So you see how that script, that was off the top of my head. I've never done that script before, but you can see it could be a dental office. It could be a car mechanic. It could be a cafe. And the script is really meant for you to get to new places, go see new things, report on things to your local community, and then leverage those audiences that have those same interests as well, or go to those same places and start engaging more people. So this script right here might be one of the most powerful scripts that you've got in your arsenal to really start engaging with your audience. So take a look at that script, try to get good with it. Be sure to do all the scripts in Listings to Leads every single week. And again, print up the playbook. Make sure you complete that playbook every week. Get into the mastermind group if you have any questions, if you need any help, if you feel like you need encouragement, get into the mastermind group. Tell me that you need encouragement and we'll help you out and we'll motivate you to get going on this. And if you have any questions, get with our support team. We'll talk to you soon.